5 jobs that AI will not replace in the next 10 years. We're going to download this to you right now. So welcome back to the AI Guide, where we focus on helping you thrive in the age of AI. And what better way to help you thrive than to give you the top 5 most AI safe and robotic safe jobs as of now that there are. Interestingly, as AI and robots rapidly get smarter and more capable, these careers are actually thriving because they rely on skills only people have. Let's dive in. Number 1, registered nurses. AI can assist with medical records, reading x-rays, even some diagnosis, but nurses do so much more than those things. They comfort patients, they make critical care decisions on the spot, and they perform hands-on procedures. In my judgment, it'll be a long time before people want robots handling them when they're very sick. Those human empathy and judgment skills means nursing is unlikely to get replaced by robots. If anything, there's a nursing shortage right now. You see nurses wanted signs all over the place. Nursing jobs are projected to grow by about 6% from now to 2033. Average RN salary is around $90,000 a year. Quick comment, that's obviously going to increase over 10 years. It'll be north of $100,000 during that time period. It only takes a few years of training to enter this field. So nurses prove that careers built on compassion and quick thinking are AI resistant. Number 2, school teachers. Schools by their nature are very slow to change. Also, anyone who has tried homeschooling during lockdowns knows that this isn't an easy job, but a vital one. While online apps can teach students facts, teachers provide mentorship, social skills, and inspiration. A good teacher can really inspire you for the future. I personally had that happen to me in middle school. No algorithm can match those qualities. Estimates are that only about 20% of a teacher's work can be automated. The rest of it needs a human touch. From adapting a lesson on the fly to comforting a troubled student, teachers use emotional intelligence as well as creativity daily. So according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median pay for a teacher is $60,000 to $65,000. Because of the work I do, I help support the school district, which my kids went to public school, with analysis to help them run the school district. This was a volunteer thing. So even though the median may be $60,000 to $65,000 a year, there's places where the pay is doubled that. A tenured teacher in the school district where I raised my kids, $125,000 a year. Why? Because there are some places that prioritize education and spend accordingly. So if you want to be a teacher, you want to move to one of these very high-paying school districts, which, by the way, because of what they pay, are generally considered to be among the best in the country. Most importantly, teachers shape future generations. As parents, we know how important that is. So classrooms of the future are obviously going to evolve technology-wise. They will. But real human teachers, by and large, will still be there, not robots. Number 3, electricians. These skilled tradespeople literally keep the lights on. An electrician's work is highly physical and varies from job to job. Pulling wires through a wall, diagnosing a weird outage at a factory, installing solar panels on people's roofs. So robots aren't going to climb into attics to rewire them anytime soon. Electricians are in such demand right now that this career field is estimated to grow 10% in the next 10 years alone. This is faster than most occupations. With a median salary around $60,000 plus overtime, It's a lucrative trade, and I'll go you 2 points better on how much money you can make being an electrician. First, no college, so you don't have all that student debt. You learn by apprenticeship, which is 2 or 3 years, that you're getting paid. But in the different places I've lived, there's been electricians who have done far better than $60,000 a year. How? Because they were willing to learn about how to run a business and about how to do marketing. If you're willing to learn those things, then you can work for yourself, rapidly grow your business, and start hiring crews to do the work for you. I am absolutely certain that in the areas I've lived in, there's electricians easily making $250,000 a year. So if you like working with your hands and solving problems, electrician work is a bright career choice that's shockingly safe from automation. Number 4, cybersecurity analysts. These are hackers with a white hat or digital bodyguards, protecting organizations from cyber attacks. AI helps them scan data but cannot replace people. Why? Because every hack is different. Cyber analysts use creativity and quick judgment to outsmart criminal hackers. Companies cannot risk fully automating this job. Right now, 86% of security alerts still require human intervention. That's a very high percentage. No wonder cybersecurity jobs are booming, estimated to grow at 33% in the next decade. Median salary is $120,000 a year, so this is a high-tech, well-paying, future-proof career. To get in, you start with an IT or computer science background and earn some security certifications. If you love tech and problem solving, consider guarding against the dark side of AI as a human cyber hero. Number 5, mental health therapists. In the age of chatbots, talking to a real human about your problems is still irreplaceable. Therapists and counselors help people navigate anxiety, which has been very rapidly growing since the advent of social media, depression, addiction, and more through genuine human empathy and trust. An AI may be able to give you generic advice, but it can't truly listen and offer personalized emotional support like a trained counselor can. As one expert put it, therapy is a human relationship and the ability to understand how complex life is. An algorithm just can't do that. Demand for mental health services is rising strongly, and counseling jobs are expected to grow 19% in the next 10 years. By the way, the average career growth percentage over the next 10 years is like 5%. So all these I've talked about are substantially above average in growth. While some of these roles aren't the highest paid, around $60,000 a year, they're deeply meaningful. Now, let me make a comment about that. Some of these jobs are extremely high paid, but you need a doctorate for it, right? That's psychiatrist or doctor of psychology. One is an MD, one is a PhD. Those make hundreds of thousands a year, but you got to put in the time and effort to get there. So if you're compassionate and a great listener, rest assured that AI won't steal this career. We'll always need real people to heal other people. So those are the top 5. In conclusion, what do all these AI-resistant jobs have in common? They each require uniquely human capabilities, whether it's empathy, creative problem solving, or manual dexterity. As AI handles more routine tasks quickly going forward, jobs that blend technical know-how with human touch will flourish. If you're planning your career or want to change your career in the AI-driven future, focus on developing skills that computers can't easily learn: communication, leadership, creativity, and adaptability. The good news is that automation for these jobs isn't an extinction event, it's more like a job shift. New jobs will emerge even as some are eliminated. By staying flexible and lifelong learning focused, which I've said on multiple videos now, you can ride this wave of technology and come out on top. Remember, the future of some work will still involve humans who leverage AI as a tool, not as a replacement. So choose a path that excites you and cultivates your uniquely human strengths. That's the surest way to future-proof your career. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Also, please support us on Patreon. We need your financial support to continue to grow the channel. We're growing rapidly now. Thank you very much to all the new subscribers. Thank you to everyone for all the comments on recent videos, which there's been a lot of comments. Much, much appreciated. Take care. See you next time. Bye.